Welcome to Drone Racers Warehouse, your ultimate drone hub located at the Tanger Outlets, Suite 372 in Pooler, Georgia. We're excited to announce that we're opening a second location in Richmond Hill, Georgia. At Drone Racers Warehouse, we believe in empowering the next generation of drone enthusiasts. That's why we're reaching out to the younger community to offer engaging classes that teach you how to operate and race drones. We use micro-drones to provide a hands-on learning experience. In our classes, students will not just be racing, but also building these incredible machines from scratch. With our state-of-the-art 3D printers, you'll discover the art of designing your very own drones. And it doesn't stop there. We're thrilled to introduce an outdoor RC track for both cars and drones, perfect for racing enthusiasts of all levels. Looking for drone parts? Look no further. Drone Racers Warehouse is the FPV headquarters for Savannah, Georgia. We have everything you need, from cameras, FPV gear, and telemetry to ESCs, motors, batteries, chargers, and more. Need tools? We've got you covered. Whether you require soldering guns, adhesives, balsa wood, or wraps for wings and airplanes, we have it all. Got questions or need technical help? We're here for you. Text us at 912-428-7049 or visit our website at droneracerswarehouse.com for answers to all your queries. Join us online for live feeds and exciting content on our Facebook page, Drone Racers Warehouse. Stay tuned for daily free prizes and giveaways on my channels. Yes, giveaways. Check us out on our YouTube channel, Drone Racers Warehouse. Leave your name in the comments below and I promise to reply to you. If you pay for shipping, I'll send you a prize. We have an overstock of products in our store, and we want to share that with new subscribers and members. So, come on down and be part of our growing family. This is Jeremy Baker, reaching out to the amazing communities of Chatham County, Effingham County, Bryan County, and the greater Coastal Empire. Let's bring racers together at Drone Racers Warehouse.